Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is transformation. This is confirmation that things are changing around you. Not only are you changing, your surroundings are about to change. You're evolving. You may be in a place for so long where you've outlived it. You outgrew it. You outgrew persons, places, things, activities, financials, even jobs. You're transforming to a greater you, a higher you, and that is worth living for. That is what life is about, not staying the same. And it's great that you're starting to evolve to your greatest self because the stage is ready for you. They're ready for you because you are a superstar. You're a life changer. You're a light bringer. You're a light watcher. A life. What is the word? I'm sorry. Pardon. But you bring light to the world. Therefore, everyone's following your lead, enjoying you, learning from you, taking your advice, and transforming their lives thanks to you. So go get your blessings. Don't stop now. Continue to be the highest and greatest and strongest version of yourself, and watch how your surroundings, look at how you change. And it's going to be for the betterment. I constantly am evolving and improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow. When you learn, you become wiser. When you grow, you become stronger. Therefore, you can maintain more blessings, bigger blessings. We're going from the one bedroom, from the studio to the mansion, from the studio to the penthouse. More blessings because you can maintain it. You have the strength and you have the wisdom for it. I am aware of my progress and I open my wings to light. So keep transforming. Is all for your betterment. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.